Maaraw.
Wow. What's it? Oh. Whoa.
Careful.
Sorry. Wait. Wait. Yeah.
Good job. Hello, kain tayo.
Wow. Wow.
Ganda ng sunset.
Okay.
Hmm?
Stop.
Check this out.
Whoa, whoa! Oh
Where
no!
you go?
Oh no! Where you go for the wash?
Hmm?
Oh no! Oh no! It's just the wash! Oh no! Oh, kami!
Kain tayo. So after this we're good.
Oh no!
Uuwi na kami
No,
sa
no! Oh no! Where's the real wash?
bahay
Oh
namin.
no! Where's the real do? Oh God! What do you do?
Ano lang ako, nag-grill lang ako dito sa bukid. Try nyong i-grill yung bread with eggs. Guys, ang sarap niya. Crispy. Tabugkob! Daghan kong kahoy diri guys. Basin gusto mo kahoy. Available pa ayo. So, ayan yung bahay na napatayo namin. Meron akong video dyan. So, please watch my video. Building our house from start to finish. Hindi ko pa na-edit yung new video episode na yon. So, subscribe kayo ng aking channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon na rin para notify ko kayo sa aking mga video. Maraming salamat. Dito na lang po. Dito na lang po ako kasi wala akong viewer. Anyway, there you go. Thank you for watching. Bye. Oops. That's my wool shed. And paano ba to? Bubbles? Ooh. Walang magawa. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See ya.
Bye.
Hindi ko alam kung paano to yan, no?
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Sige lang. Bye, guys, ani. Hmm. Halunak, dili lagi ito makaano. Live pa rin siya. Oh my gosh.
Daddy.
Where's Daddy? Where is he?
See.
Where?
See.